Hey Islam people, how you doing? Hope you're well and in good health. Okay, right now we're going to take a look at some of the elements around the Islamic economy, investing and so on. So we're looking at Halal ETFs, UK ethical investing made simple. Now, even if you're not based in the UK, this may be of use for you. So if you go to halalincome.co.uk and on the right hand side where the search bar is, you can't see it here, but just on the right hand side of the top right, you'll be able to type in Halal ETF and you'll get this article pop up. And then you can watch this video on here as well. So let's go into understanding ETFs. So exchange traded funds are investment vehicles that combine features of mutual funds and individual stocks, right? They offer investors exposure to a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, and traded on stock exchanges throughout the trading day and market determined prices, right? So this intraday trading capability provides liquidity and flexibility. So kind of like highlights ETFs from traditional mutual funds, which are priced only at the end of the trading day. So ETFs can be structured to track various indices, sectors, commodities, or investment strategies. They are generally known for cost effectiveness, transparency, and also tax efficiency. Investors can choose from a wide array of ETFs to align with their investment goals, risk tolerance, and ethical considerations. So, for Muslims who want to invest, many Muslims are looking for ethical considerations, trying to invest around halal principles and being Sharia compliant as much as possible. So, for Muslim investors, aligning investments with Islamic guidelines is important. Sharia-compliant investing, often referred to as halal investing, prohibits involvement in industries and practices that are related to, but not exclusive to, alcohol production and sales, gambling, pork stuff, conventional financial services like riba, interest, usury, weapons, defense manufacturing, entertainment industries deemed unethical. So, additionally, companies must meet specific financial ratios to ensure minimum involvement with interest-bearing debt and interest-based income. So, Sharia-compliant ETFs are designed to adhere to these type of principles, to enabling Muslim investors to actually take part in the markets, invest and make money without having to forfeit religious beliefs or compromise. So some of the halal ETFs here in the UK. So as of January 25, we've got Wahid FTC USA Sharia ETP. So this ETF aims to replicate performance of FTC Sharia USA Index, which includes large and mid-cap US companies that are aligned with Sharia guidelines. You've got the fund employs a full replication strategy, investing directly in constituents of the index, and it's available in multiple currencies like GBP, so Great British Pound, and dollar, euro, and so on. There's an ongoing charge of 0.50% per annum. You've got HSBC MSCI World Islamic ESG ETF, launched on 13 November 22. This ETF tracks the MSCI World Islamic ESG Universal Screen Index, comprising large and mid-cap securities from developed markets worldwide that comply with Sharia investment principles and meet specific ESG criteria requirements. The fund uses full replication to mirror the index and has a total expense ratio of 0.30% annually. And as January 2025, the fund size is approximately £33 million. Some of the things you think about when you are investing in halal ETFs, for example, expense ratio. So low expense ratios can enhance net returns over time. Fund size and liquidity. Larger funds typically offer better liquidity. Index composition, understanding the underlying index, what the constituents ensure alignment with the investment objectives and the risk elements. Currency exposure. So you should be aware of currency, which currency the ETF is dominating in, and other associated risks. Compliance. So obviously, you've got to make sure there's compliance with the local laws and adherence to Sharia principles, and so on. And then you've also got a growing market for these halal ETFs. There is a lot of demand out there, as there are high net worth individuals, there are more affluent professional individuals, and those with more disposable income. For example, in Western countries like the UK, USA, Europe, other places, who have more disposable income and want to invest in halal Sharia-compliant ETFs, especially with the growing Muslim population and more knowledge about Islamic economy, finances, and so on. So, in response, financial institutions are expanding their offerings in relation to halal ETFs as time goes on, and there's more accessibility for investors. Here in Great Britain, the rise of digital investment platforms, robo-advisors, is creating more facilitation access to these ETFs, and obviously investors can then get in there and purchase products and invest in portfolios. Integration of environment, social and governance (ESG) criteria with Sharia compliance, as seen in the HSBC World Islamic ESG, reflects a broader trend towards ethical investing, ethical principles, and moving towards social responsibility, which does appeal to Muslim audiences and investors in the financial markets. Halal ETFs of Muslim investors in the UK are viable means to participate in equity markets, adhering to aligning with the Islamic fundamentals, and by providing diversification, cost effectiveness, and compliance with Sharia, these ETFs are serving as valuable tools. And as the market Sharia compliant products continue to grow, investors can anticipate more wider selection of these halal ETFs in the coming months and years to build their strategy for investing and building wealth. Okay, people, don't forget, always do your own financial due diligence. Consult with a financial advisor when you are looking at things like investing, financial economies, and halal ETFs and so on. Okay, let us know in the comment section below what you think about halal ETFs. Is it worth investing? What experiences have you had? Tell your story in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. Click the join button on the channel, join the channel, support our work so we can continue producing videos like these. Okay, people, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.